Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have this awesome smoked salmon with spinach roll, and I will start showing you what I need for the roll. I have here spinach was frozen. I let it defrost and squeeze really good the liquid, 3 eggs, a pinch of salt, 20 grams of cornstarch, 40 grams of flour, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I separate the eggs, egg white in my mixer bowl, and the egg yolk in another bowl. I will preheat the oven at 180 Celsius as well. Put a pinch of salt over egg whites. Mix the spinach with egg yolks, flour, and cornstarch. We have a nice paste, and mix egg whites with that pinch of salt with a mixer until stiff peaks are forming, and incorporate egg whites in the spinach mixture gradually, not all at once, and mix everything with a spatula. Add a bit of pepper and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and put this batter in the oven tray. Level it nicely on baking paper and bake it for 10 to 12 minutes in a preheated oven. I told you 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Level it nicely and let's bake it. Don't overbake it because we don't want it to be crisp. So now I will remove it from the oven baking tray. I will put another baking paper on top of it, and because I want to turn it upside down, I will use a chopping board. So twist it, remove the original baking paper on which we baked it first. Nicely, nice and easy. We don't want to break the sponge. And roll it now tight, but don't break it, and let it cool down. See how nice it's looking, what vibrant color has. I love it. Now for the filling, I use 100 grams of cream cheese, 100 grams of cream, pepper, lemon pepper, and smoked salmon, 100 grams as well. In a mixer bowl, I will put cream cheese and also the cream. The cream, I kept it in the fridge, and so it's nice and chill. And regarding that lemon pepper, if you don't have that, you can add just lemon zest. Is perfectly fine. Now whisk that cream cheese and cream together. Unroll that spinach roll when it's nice and cold, and put the filling all over it in a nice even layer. Sprinkle some pepper over. I didn't add any salt because the salmon has enough salt. Sprinkle lemon pepper as well. I cut the salmon in smaller pieces and distribute it all over the sponge. And I will roll again now, but without the paper inside. I will cover the roll with that paper and have it in the fridge for at least 2 hours before serving. It is really colorful, really tasty, and as you see, a really easy to prepare appetizer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Thumbs up to the recipe that you love, and comment down below, and I will try to answer you in as fast as I can. Have a nice awesome day. Find reasons to smile, and I see you here next time with another recipe. Bye.